Good evening, ma'am. My name is Mark David Labaro from 2G, Block G. This is the database. So, as you can see, blank po yung database natin sa register. So, this is the login page, ma'am. Register. Okay, we register the account. Ayan, register. Successful, registration successful. So, ilagin the account. Ma'am, dito po na pupunta yung ni-register natin. So, nag-register tayo kanina, ma'am. So, ito. Yan, Mark David Labaro. Yan. So, proceed tayo sa paglalagin. So, this is the dashboard. As you can see, may homepage about contact, sample, and setting. This is the dashboard blank page po, ma'am. So, this is the logout. So, as you can see, may two options. So, if you na-misclick po kayo or nag-doubt kayo, ayaw nyo mag-logout, so you click the cancel po. So, magla-logout tayo, ma'am. Yan, nag-logout. Ito yung database natin. So, dito na i-store yung ating i-register na email for the account. So, this is the database connection. So, the database connection name as the dashboard DB. So, this is the register user. So, lahat po nang na-register na rin. So, napupunta po siya dun sa database na ginawa natin, ma'am, sa SQL. So, this is the login page, login code, sorry. Home, contact, then sample po, ma'am. Settings, about, style. As you can see, the CSS here. The code for the login button natin po, ma'am. So, ito po, ma'am, lahat ng ating CSS. So, the script for the confirm box po. So, dashboard. Dito po yung dashboard natin. So, sa dashboard is meron po tayong, as you can see sa pag-login natin, ma'am, is napunta tayo sa profile, home. Sa sidebar natin, ma'am, merong home, about, contact, sample, output, then the settings, then appear the welcome dashboard. This is profile page. So, ayun lang, ma'am. Thank you and have a good evening. Good evening po, ma'am. Sorry.